and welcome to the House of Mouth. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use your whitening gel and trays safely and effectively. It's a simple process, and by following the right steps, you'll get the best results safely. Step 1. First things first, brush and floss your teeth so they're clean and free of plaque. We usually recommend whitening at night just before bed. This gives your teeth the longest period of time between your whitening session before you go to bed at night without eating or drinking afterwards, and then waking next morning when you naturally have something to eat or drink. And of course, before you start any form of whitening or using any whitening gel in your trays, make sure they fit adequately. They should fit tight and snug and not be loose around all teeth and gums. Step 2. Apply the gel. Some brands suggest using a continuous line or bead of gel, but we recommend placing a small drop in the center of each tooth compartment that you wish to whiten. If you think of the size of a grain of rice or 2 small pen drops, that's all you need per tooth. Make sure the gel sits on the outer surface of the tooth, right in the center, not on the inside or near the gums, because that will just cause irritation. And remember, the more gel that you use won't speed things up and provide better results. If anything, it usually causes overflow, it causes irritation, and it doesn't taste the best either. Step 3. Insert your trays. So next, gently place your trays into your mouth and over your teeth. Press them lightly so they fit snug and comfortable, and you'll find that the gel will naturally spread across the front of each tooth. Don't bite down or push too hard, as this can squeeze the gel out of your trays and again lead to tooth sensitivity and gum irritation. Step 4. Remove excess gel. If you notice gel on your gums, wipe it away with a tissue, cotton bud, or even a dry toothbrush. That helps reduce irritation and tooth sensitivity. If you find that happens often when you're whitening, it may mean that you're using too much gel or that your fit of your trays actually needs checking. So be sure to check that your trays fits tight and snug before using them, and to pull back on using the amount of gel you're using next time around. This will also help save the whitening gel and will also make your syringes last longer, meaning you won't need to be buying as much whitening gel in the long run. Step 5. Leave your seeded trays in for the recommended time. Always follow the instructions provided with your specific gel, or the advice of your dental professional. Every brand and gel is different, and stronger gels are usually worn for shorter periods of time, while gentler gels can stay in longer and sometimes even be worn overnight whilst you're sleeping. If you're new to whitening, however, or have sensitive teeth, start with half the recommended wear time for your first couple of uses and then gradually increase as you feel comfortable. It's very important to never exceed the maximum wear time recommended for the gel and brand which you're using. It won't improve your results, but it can make your teeth more sensitive and lead to gum irritation. Step 6. Once you're finished, remove your trays and rinse your mouth with lukewarm water. Some people also choose to gently brush with a soft toothbrush to remove any leftover gel. That step is completely optional. And now for your trays, rinse them with cool water. Give them a light brush with a soft bristled toothbrush and allow them to air dry before you store them away. If you are using a cleaning device for your trays, simply follow the instructions included with your cleaning device. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll whiten safely and effectively and look after your trays at the same time. For more tips, guidance, or answers to common frequently asked questions of whitening, visit us at houseofmouth.com.au or reach out to our team today and we'll be more than happy to help. All the best with your whitening and on your whitening journey.